Okay, so we completed the draw tools, modify tools, and all. Now today we can start with the how to draw the plans. Okay, house plans. Okay, you know, right? House plans in the sense like how it looks, the
Yes, yes,
walls,
yes.
windows, doors, everything. It will be okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So for that, like you need to change that to engineering, so that mostly in India, like we are using feet and inches, but even in India, we can
Mm-hmm.
also use centimeters or Okay. So, for
Okay.
example, you're supposed to know this kind of things. Since you are from a very different background, I will just tell you these things also. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, wall thickness. So, it should be 9 inches for external wall. Okay. And then
Okay.
external wall thickness, we can have something bigger, external wall thickness. And then internal wall thickness. So it's supposed to be half of that. One brick, the outer will be the two brick walls, okay? And apart from
Okay.
that, we will be having the plaster thickness and all that is not going to consider in the AutoCAD. Only this we can
Okay.
consider. Sometime if it is
Mm-hmm.
like a flat, in flat, like it will be the external wall will be like some other different bricks where the external will be 6 inches and internal will be 4 inches. That is like a very different brick,
Okay.
not clay brick. For example, Porotham or AEC blocks like that. If you are going such blocks, we can able to reduce the thickness so that obviously you can
Okay.
able to have a more space inside the house. Okay.
Mm.
And then you're supposed to consider the door, main door size. So it's supposed to be
Mm.
minimum 3 feet 6 inches across 7 feet. It is for the elevation, but in the normal, like you can consider 3 feet 6 inches on the thickness as per the wall. Okay. And
Mm.
the other doors, bedroom doors and all, it's supposed to be minimum 3 feet and then 7 feet. Okay. Then what else? Like we have bathroom doors, right? So bathroom doors, if it is like if putting this, you can consider. So minimum, it's supposed to be 2 feet 6 inches, cross 7 feet like that. You can able to have bathroom. Apart from that, balcony doors and all, like you can take something like this. It also depends, like based on the conditions. Even sometimes people will be having 2 feet 9 inches door for a bedroom. If it is not having a space, some constraints. If it is like that, then it will be like that. Okay. And windows and all, like it's supposed to be minimum 4 feet cross 4 feet. And kitchen windows, like kitchen windows, it's supposed to be 4 feet. You can take 3 feet cross 3 feet because kitchen windows should be smaller than the other windows. This is normal.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
And now you can see the sill level. So sill level for
Mm.
kitchen window, it is 3 feet, but everything else is 4 feet.
Mm.
Okay. Lintel level in the sense like the 7 feet. Okay.
Lintel is what, sir?
Lintel on top of a window, you will be having lintel beam. Below window,
Okay.
you will be having sill beam. But mostly, most of
Uh-huh.
the construction people they are avoiding sill level beams. If you're providing sill level
Mm-hmm.
beams, it is even more good for the house. But lintel level beam,
Okay.
through completely they will be putting. So anyway, these things
Mm-hmm.
you're supposed to know if you're drawing a section or elevation.
Okay.
Okay, this one. And other things and all, sunshades and all, that also we can do. So this one you're supposed to consider. And like this
Mm.
consideration, 1 feet equal to how much? 12 inches. Okay. So 6 inches equal to point 0.5 feet. So like this you're
Mm.
supposed to consider. So 9 inches equal to 0.75 feet. So something like that. So that's 6 divided by 12.5, 9 divided by 0.75 like that. Okay. Mostly you can put the feet and inches so that you will get automatically. So we can
Fine.
also put 4 feet 6 inches means 4.5 feet we can directly put the time mean. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this is what you should remember. Okay. And this thing, yeah. You taken the note? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So I can clear this, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So we're supposed to change that to unit, UN.
Mm.
So here by default decimal, right? So we can consider
Mm.
engineering because architecture is difficult. You can see
Mm.
the preview. It is also showing 1/4 inch, 1 second, one half inch like that. But so the
Mm.
precision and all it will be difficult. Maybe people working in that may be knowing, but we will be having engineering. So the precision it will
Mm.
be this one, 4.5 inches we have now wall. That's why I'm taking that one. No need to change anything else. Just click OK.
Okay.
Okay, so immediately, like we can just draw the lines. For example, like if I am just having a rectangle, so the plot size. So you can just click this one, and it is asking the other corner point. Other corner point, I will go for dimension. So the length I will put 40 feet, and then 30 feet. So which is like 1,200 square feet plot. You will be knowing, right? In India, we will be having such lands. So this is a kind of 1,200 square feet land.
Okay.
Okay, in this, like we can able to have the plan. We can start doing our plan. Anyway, I will give you the exercise that also we can do it. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so you can just see the property here. So this is like length area. See, this is 1,200 square feet. Okay,
Mm.
okay. So in this, like what we can do means like easily we can able to explode it. First, before that, like we supposed to have a 3 feet at least setbacks.
Mm.
If it is the plot, then with this plot we can able to start building our structure. Okay, now we can able to explode it. If you want some car parking or something here, we can just plan accordingly. For car parking, like if you want 20 feet, so from here I will just go for this also. I will explode it.
Mm.
Okay. So wherever you are having road, then accordingly, then you can able to put also. And then offset of some 12, 10 feet. So consider this as a, so I'm just filleting, okay.
Okay.
So whatever you want, you can just plan accordingly, the car parks and all. Okay, now with this, we can have a car park inside the home, and then this is the you can have main gate here, and you can have gates here like that. Okay, and what we
Mm.
can do means like this one, we can able to even more move. So this one, I will take 18 feet. It's enough for car. Okay. Now we can just have start building the see first you're supposed to put a 9 inches wall.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just putting 9 inches. So wherever you have, this is the walls. Actually, we can also join it. So this is
Mm.
right. What we can do means like what we can do means this. Otherwise, like you just select
Join
everything.
them.
J enter. So within a single click, we can able to get the offset 9 inches.
Mm.
Okay. Now we can just explode this one. Okay, now if you want something here, if you're considering southeast, so we will be having kitchen in southeast, right? So, this one 10 feet kitchen. Okay, you have space here. So accordingly, you can able to plan. It will put 8 feet. Okay, and then here as usual, 4.5 inches. That feet and inches, for inches, no need to put anything. But for feet, you're
Mm-hmm.
supposed to put the feet command, okay? And
Okay.
this one,
Mm.
how much we can see like 13 feet 16 6 inches. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, okay. Anyway, this is a big kitchen only. Anyway, we will see how other rooms we will be getting.
Mm.
At least 12 feet or 10 feet. Okay, and then we have something like this. Actually, it is looking very small. Only we can able to have uh this one. So this one just 10 feet alone. Okay, okay. Again, we can just join it. Okay. Now we can just have see what we can do means like we can able to trim in between if you have
Mm.
something like this. So it's supposed to the wall. Everything should be connected to each other. Okay. Okay. If you want a bathroom here, you can able to have a bathroom there. So minimum these things I'm just putting. Okay. Anyway.
Mm.
So since that is like joined with each other, right? That's why.
Mhm.
Again, I will join it. Okay, now we can consider this as a bathroom. So this one we can take as a inside door, outside door, something, whatever the way you want. Here you can have some wash basins or something. Okay, like that you can able to plan the things. Okay, okay. Now the thing is like we supposed to put the doors and all. It's
Okay.
kind of living and dining, and then one bathroom with one bedroom with bathroom and kitchen. Only this one we can able to have in this plot. Okay.
Mhm.
So now I will go for a control 3. In control 3,
Okay.
like this is for tool palette command. Tool palette TP enter or control 3 that you can take note of. So in this tool palette, you will be getting automatically like dynamic blocks. These are all the dynamic blocks in architectural thing. So you
Mhm.
can just take the imperial door and then the imperial window, and also we have the elevations for those. Okay, and also
Mhm.
we can able to see the toilet. These things we can able to have multiple things with the same block. That is what it is called as a dynamic block. And apart from that, like we have vehicles and all. So this we can directly take, no need to create it.
Okay.
And this kind of things we can take from control 3 or TP enter. Now, for example, this after clicking, since it is a dynamic block, you can able to see the
Mhm.
all views. If I'm going for top view, it will be the top view. And I will go
Mhm.
for sedan top view, something like that. So we have very limited only, but anyway, that we can take.
Okay.
See, this is like we can able to park the car here.
Mhm.
Okay. Like that, we can able to place the things according to the wish. Like here also again the top view we can able to take. Again, you can just use the grip to. This is for rotation, but this is for move. Okay, when you are going move, it is automatically moving to the walls.
Mhm.
Something like this here if I'm putting. Okay. And the door, so you can able to see here the dynamically we are can able to drag it. So maximum 3 feet 4 inches door only. Okay, I was telling 3 feet 6 inches, and here we have 3 feet door. Also, we have 3 feet 4 inches. We have. If you want to put more inches, then also we can able to do that from block edit concept. So B enter and select that block, and you can click OK. And here, you have this one, right? The door size. Actually, this is
Mm-hmm.
very advanced parameters. No need to worry about that. So only just to select the door size and then go here. So the distance value list. So here,
Mm-hmm.
just click this one, and you can able to add your own thing. See, 3 feet 6 inches we don't have. So 3.5 feet, that is what the 3 feet 6 inches. And if
Okay.
you don't have a 2.75, so 2 feet 9 inches also it will come. Whatever that is what they have. I actually maybe for the frames they
Mm-hmm.
detected. So whatever you want, you can just click OK. And the wall thickness also you should remember. So go for wall thickness, and then because both selected now, you need to select only one. So select this, and then go with this, and here you can able to add the 9 inches and all, and then
Okay.
4.5 inches. Okay, then that one it will come.
Mm-hmm.
So you can able to drag according to that. You need to put close block editor and save changes.
Okay.
Okay, so since it is what it is, now what we can do is here I will go for 90-degree open, and the uh, wall thickness I will take maximum, and then this also I will take maximum. So 3 feet 6 inches. Now you can able to just um, you can able to copy this. So if you want a main door here, you can have a main door here. So just using the grip, we can also move it. So this is
Mm-hmm.
how you can able to have door, and you can just trim the in between walls. TR double enter, and then okay. But actually, for main door, you're supposed to have a something like this, so that you can consider as a main door. Everything else you should to trim this also, because
Mm-hmm.
so every other rooms it will be like this. For main door, you will be having a frame below also.
Okay.
That's what it means. Now I can just go for this one. So 3 feet, right? And then 4.5 inches. Okay, now this one we can able to copy. And I think this also, if you want to put the door here or wherever you want, you can able to put. So it depends on the how you planning. So this door is like this, right? You can able to use this option to tilt it. There will be arrows to tilt four direction.
Okay.
Okay, now we done it. And again for the bathroom door, we can just take to 2 feet 6 inches. So this also it will be varying, like it depends on the company to company, their the specifications and all, so this one, if you want from inside, you can also place, from outside also you can able to place. It's up and depends on your things. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Like this, we can complete for the kitchen and all. You can able to have just opening alone. So
Mm-hmm.
consider somewhere here. Okay, but auto mode is switched off, I guess.
Yes.
So offset enter, and if it is it is up to you. Minimum for 3 feet, but if you want a big, so this from here, like you can able to have architectural detailing works and all. After for this opening from kitchen, like this we can able to complete the things. Okay. Now we can also show the kitchen with the different tiles and all, so that I'm just having like this. And then for the counter platform, you're supposed to have 2 feet, okay, or 1 feet 6 inches also we have. Depends, because since
Mm-hmm.
it is a big only, so we can able to have. So whatever you want, like you can able to just put. So according to your wish, like you can able to plan, okay,
Mm-hmm.
only L shape or U shape or whatever the way you want. Now this is what the kitchen and all. Now you can have the even more the beds and all. So control 3 for tool palette. Now control 2 for Autodesk Design Center, or you can put ADC enter. So the shortcut is control 2 or ADC enter. So where you can able to see like these are all the blocks, but this is like only one single block. Bed means only one bed. So we can't able to change something here from the drop down and all. Now I will just
Okay.
select double click it, and then I will click OK. It is asking, it is a block, not dynamic block. The blocks
Mhm.
and all how to create, I will be telling later, and you can able to just click like this, and you have a sofas and all. Just double click and then click OK. We should not explode it. That's why.
Mhm.
Okay. And then we can also have a dining table set. These are all the default thing. If you want to create, you can able to create your own block. That thing what you created, that you also you can make as a block and we can use it. And like this, we
Okay.
can able to have a table and all. Okay, like this, we can able to see the things here in this home space planner and the blocks. Okay. Even
Mhm.
we have chair, desk, computer terminal and all. One limited things we have anyway. Okay, and plans,
Mhm.
if you want, you can able to put the plans. But this one we can take from uh, the tool palette itself, because
Okay.
where you can able to have many, we can change from the drop down. Okay, so now we
Mhm.
can just have this, and then we can just move somewhere as per the thing. Okay, and then this one. So wherever you want, you can able to place the things. Again, if you want, you can just go for I enter. I enter means inserting the block. So you already have some blocks that you can able to call from here from the drop down. I think like I want a sofa. So sofa, and I'm just going for OK. And see now it is I'm going to place here, for example. But you can able to rotate this option. You will get in the insert block. Then later you can just click this, and you can able to move the thing using the move grip. Okay, like this we can able to have, and then the dining table if you want to keep somewhere. So sometimes we can able to switch out the ortho mode. Anyway, however the way you want, see you have a good space and all. It should not be like when you opening the door, it should not hit the things, right? That's like accordingly you can plan. Uh,
Okay.
Something like this here. If you want some TV unit and all, we can able to have something like that. We can complete the plan. Only thing we forget to add the windows. Okay, in windows like we have here, but again like here like we have maximum 6 inches. So
Mhm.
we can just go for BE. So the same block edit and then click OK, and you need to select the width. Select the width. We will see what are all the things. See here we have many things, but only the thickness. Okay, thickness of 9 inches. I think internally we don't have. No, that's why I'm not going to put 4.5 inches.
Mhm.
Only windows and outer externally. Save the changes. This is only for this file. Okay, because save changes for this file. Uh, so finally, like we can just move this wherever you want. For example, if you want somewhere here. But see now what we can do means like you can just select this M enter, shift mid between 2 points. So here you can see the midpoint, I guess, because since we have the, okay, it will show the midpoint. If not, again shift mid between 2 points. Hello?
Hello, sir.
Ah, okay. So you can see the screen, right?
Yes,
Okay, so we can continue. We just stopped the windows, okay, where we stopped.
on the window. You were inserting
Yeah,
the window.
okay. Just now again I will go for I enter and then I will go for the window imperial and then click OK. And now you can just put according to the walls.
Okay.
So then later we can just change the sizes. Okay. So wherever you want, you just pick and place. Okay. Okay. Like this, we can able to complete the windows. Okay. And still, if you want to change this one and then, okay, these things. Okay. Right. Okay. Actually, we have to just keep this control C, control V also we can do. Okay. And then here we can just see the sizes. So if you want 5 feet, 5 feet, you can have. So this is dynamic block. Actually, this one we can draw ourselves, but better we have a thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Control C, control V. Only thing we can just adjust the size. Okay. Maybe this also 5 feet cross 3 feet. We can able to have something like that. So okay, allow
Okay.
like this we have. If you want another window here or here, we can able to have also.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The how whatever the way. If you want the same or maybe this is for 3 feet, right? Okay, this is 3 feet only. Okay, no issue. But then we can able to modify this one to 4 feet, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
So the bedroom we can able to have somewhat bigger. Okay, now we can also have here the bathroom, but bathroom ventilator only, right? We can able to put 2 feet. So only with the one block we can able to modify all the changes and all. Okay. Now this is how we
Okay.
can do later. Just to save it, Control S. So whatever the name you want, 1 BHK plan, something like that. You can save it wherever you want. In when you're saving, you can also select the version. See, when by that also it is available. So if you want to send it to someone, they don't have the latest version. So better to save in
Mm-hmm.
the lowest version and send them. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now what else we can do means like this is how we finish the plan. Okay, now this is how we can plan for our plots. But I will send you some exercises where you will be available with the predefined plans that you're supposed to draw and then practice. Okay, that might be a little bit
Okay.
bigger and might be having staircase inside the house like that. So practice the such plans so it will be easy.
Okay. So one more thing in this, you had mentioned the sill level and the lintel level. That also we have to show in this.
No, no, that only it will be visible for elevation section views.
Okay.
Now we don't have elevation section, right? So no need to worry about that.
Mhm.
But if you want to
And
continue, yeah, tell me.
what about the main gate, like the main door also where
Uh,
the parking is?
this is the main door. Actually, it is south facing. So whatever the way, if you want somewhere here, you can. Okay, so main gate and all, like we can able to show, we can show with the objects like, for example, like fencing. You know, like for fencing, what we can do, like, um, anyway, this one we have, right? So if you want to
Mm-hmm.
show the offset, maybe for 1 feet, not 1 feet, maybe no, it's okay. But actually, normally we can show something gate and all here. You can show. We if you have block, we can show. But otherwise, like I will just go for offsetting the things first. I will just select and join it. That you can download from internet also. Such gates and all blocks. Okay,
Okay.
so it easily available in internet. Okay, and then 9 inches I am putting. Okay, now we can just explode this also explode and extending this to somewhere here. So now I can just have a 10 feet gate, something like that, a 10 feet or 12 feet gate. Hmm. No, okay. I think 11 feet gate it works. So the gates and all, like whatever the thing you are available with, then you can able to put. Okay, now we can have a fillet. Okay, now here we can able to have something like this. So if you want more detailing works, you can able to show. Otherwise, like this, we can able to show also. I will go for polyline, and then mm, something like this you can able to show as for now. Like then later we can just change the colors and all. Okay, so main gates. No, it depends. Like only the detail works. Like the inside matters. But these things also. This you can directly show the picture or the elevation directly. Okay. Now like this we can complete the things. Or you can also like do some other work with other tools what we have learned. Okay, no problem. Now like to make it even more perfect, the plans how it will work means layer concept. So the layer concept, the shortcut is LA enter. Okay, now we are going to create a multiple layers and then we are going to put our objects in that particular layer. For example, if we here we have an icon, new layer, alt n. Okay, so LA enter for layer command that you note and wall. Okay, and for this wall, I am going to select some colors. Otherwise, I will continue with the same white color, but for the doors and all, like we can change the colors. So doors. So the doors. I will select some red color. So the windows, I will select some green color. Okay, and furnitures and all, like I will create another also. Furniture, furnitures. Um, oh, I think the wall also selected. Okay, so the wall, I will just go back to the white color,
Right.
or by layer also we can go back. Okay, now this is what it is. Now apart from that, we can also have the patterns. Where is this? The patterns of flooring or something like that. So for this, like I will select the very light colors. Okay. And now the zero layer is the default tick mark. Okay. So what we drawn, everything is coming under zero layer. Now what we can do means like we can able to select and we can able to keep everything in the particular layer. For example, I will select the furnitures. This is also I am considering as a furniture. Okay. Okay. This thing I will just select everything and I will go to furnitures. So everything coming under furniture layer now. Okay. And the doors and all. Select the doors and then go to the door layer. Okay.
Mhm.
Since we trim now we need to trim again
Yes.
because I changed the direction. Okay. And this one also we can put in the door list. Okay. And everything the window here, right? So right click select similar. We can also choose. So it will select the similar objects. Now we can go to Windows. This is the shortcut, the select similar shortcut. And now I will go to the walls and I will put the select similar. Select similar. So, and then I will just go to the wall. Since it is zero layer, I need to put the wall. Okay. So why layer we are using is like, again, like we can also have some patterns here. So now you layer concept you understood, right?
Yes.
Okay. And H enter for a hatch. Okay. H enter for hatch pattern. We can able to have a solid hatch or we can able to have the this kind of different hatch patterns. Okay, so for example, now I will take this one. So consider this one, and here we have many things. So I will just try to put this one, but the scale is very less. If I am putting 10, so you just put it, and later also we can able to change it. So for example, here I am putting enter. Now I'm just going to the pattern again. So the hatch window it will open here. Now you can put even more the scale because the 10 scale is not good. So the 100 scale is good. And also angle we can specify 45 degree so that it is it looking like a tiles. Okay, again like I can go to hatch pattern. So I can just hatch the here the thing. Okay, now what we can do means match property, MA to match the property. So select this and select this. So, but here I will just put the zero angle so that it is also a kind of pattern. So same hatch we can able to use multiple thing like this. Only thing like the thing we can able to change this to the pattern. So go here and patterns. So now you can see how the output is. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And again, like we can also go here the pattern. So for example, if you want here until here, maybe the tiles.
Mm-hmm.
So hit enter and then select the pattern that you want. So concrete, sand, everything you have. This one also we can take.
Okay.
So it just taken that as a hatch. Okay. Okay. Then later you can also change the scale. Select this. Maybe this one we need to put more. Or sometimes one also it will work. Okay, the one itself it's working. Okay, because no need to put more.
Mm.
So maybe a little bit more scaling. Okay, or two it's enough. Okay, again the transparency of the hatch also we can able to just reduce the size. For example, 80 transparency. So it will become dull, and again like we can just go for patterns. It will be even more dull. That fact that looks now it looks good. Okay, actually the transparency and also we can change it. So again,
Mm.
also like I will just go here and then I will put 90 transparency.
Okay.
So accordingly, you can see the transparency reduced.
Yes.
Okay, so whatever the way you want, you can just put control is that to undo the things. Okay. So now this is what the pattern. Okay, again, then we can also go for I think the grass. There is some grass kind of thing. Even we have gradient. This one multiple colors. We have grass. Okay, the
Mhm.
grass thing here we can able to put. Okay. So this grass, what we can do means like I will just go to the thing and now here we can change the color. So grass means green, right? Now you
Yes.
can just put the transparency to uh, okay, now it's looking good. Okay. Only thing this one we can just change to patterns because this we can
Okay.
select this to pattern. So still the pattern means the color is not changing because we selected the color from hatch itself.
Okay.
So if it is having before color, then it is not going to consider the layer color. Okay. Now we can just
Okay.
save it. Okay. Now the layer concept, why means lay off, we can able to use lay off command. We can just remove these things. We can just remove the patterns. So like this, we can able to remove everything and we can able to work only with the details. So this is how we can able to work because we not deleted everything. We switched off. You want to switch it on again,
Okay.
lay on. So lay on, it will switch off, switch on everything. Lay on, lay off option. Okay. So now you are okay with this, right? How to draw the house plans.
Yes.
Okay. Then the dimension also matters. Then the
Mhm.
dimensions, texts and all, like we can discuss also. So do you want to continue now or whatever the way you say, like we can continue?
We can continue with that.
Yeah, okay, no problem. So I will just lay off this one. Okay, so that we will be having the dimension. We can able to see the dimensions for it. Okay. Okay, so we are just going to take, so here we have dimension, okay. So the linear
Mm-hmm.
dimension, something like that. You need to select the first point and the second point so that we can see it is nothing coming, okay. It is coming in a decimal.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what we can do means like, so we since we used dimension, so you can also see the diff points layer, it will be automatically coming.
Okay.
Okay. So D enter for the dimension style manager. So D enter, and then I will make this as annotative so that we can use the scale option and click modify. So in this modify, like we can able to go to the primary units, unit format engineering, and we can select the precision as similar to the units. Now you can click OK. So these things also we can change later, even the colors and all the how it looks like everything. Okay. Now I
Mm-hmm.
will just click set current so that it will be set current and then close. So the shortcut is dim linear for a dim lin. Okay, dim lin for a linear dimension. And it is asking the thing, and I will just have this one. Or I can just go with 1:1. Later we can just change it from there. So select the first point and second point and leave it. So it is showing 7 feet 16 inches. But since we make annotative, since everything is switched on, now you can able to change this to, okay, this is how the annotative work. Otherwise, we need to manually change the sizes. Okay, this is how the thing it will works. Okay, so again dim linear, and then you can select 2 points. Since we have the line directly, I'm just putting enter and it is coming. Again dim linear. This one we know, right? 10 feet, 10 feet. Again this one. Since we have the endpoints, that's why I'm entering directly. Otherwise, like you
Okay.
need to do it properly. You need to select the both points. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So here we can do like that. We need to just okay. Now this is what it is like. The def points is coming, but we can just put back to the select similar, and then go to the def points. So now this is what the thing. Okay. Okay. Now dim linear only we have seen. The rest of the dimensions and all we can see later. Now the text command, text command. So text command, it is asking start point. Like I will start from here. It is asking the height. So height I will put 9 inches, and angle 0, and you can see it is asking to write the text bedroom. Okay, so I just type the bedroom and then put the click somewhere, and then again, so you can write the sizes. Okay, again I'm just clicking here living. So the 12 feet 1.5 inches cross 17 feet 6 inches, and then here we can put dining. So the dining, whatever the size you can also put, but since we don't know, we no need to put. So this one, bath or toilet, whatever the way, uh, and then now here you can just put 8 feet cross 4 feet. So the kitchen, and then 8 feet cross 13 feet 6 inches. So the car park, So this one 18 feet cross 11 feet 3 inches, like this we can able to complete. Okay, so like this
Mm.
we can able to complete, or we can able to do the things. So this also we can able to, this we can able to put in uh, text. See if it is looking weird, like what we can do is, like I will switch off the diff points. Okay, now we have the text. So now I will create a text layer. So with the same itself, we can able to create multiple layers. That's what the thing.
Mm.
Maybe yellow color, and then select similar. Just to select the text layer. Hmm. Okay, now it's looking good. Now you can just modify. If you want to rotate this vertically, you can just use rotate option and all.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now like this, we can complete the plans. Okay, now what we can do means, when we are going for, or we can just go to layer itself, and we can able to turn on or turn off whatever you want. For example, I want furniture back, pattern
Mm-hmm.
back, but I don't want text,
Mm.
because the text in the sense, like see, it is like showing the awkward. Still, it is
Mm-hmm.
looking, but if you don't want, you can just directly go here and you can just switch off the text.
Okay.
Okay, like this. This is how the layer works. Okay. Okay, so today we have seen completely like how to draw the plans and all. Okay, and layer and also dimension we have seen the dimension style and
Mm-hmm.
all. Also, it's good if you know those things, because we changed the primary units annotative style. I was telling these things. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay. So just practice. I will send you one plan. Okay, that you can practice.
Okay.
Wait a minute. But that might be little bit difficult for initially, like you're supposed to do it anyway. Now you know the concept, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, only the things here. So have you received it?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Yeah, this one not complex actually. You need to use the line and offset, offset, offset. It will come directly. So just to try to
Okay.
put the outer things. Then later,
Okay.
yeah, the same way what how I did, but I did in my own way for the plot size. But this one you already have. This you're supposed to draft. Okay.
Okay.
So I think then you do everything. Later we can create layer and we can put a layer. That is simple. Otherwise, like you
Okay.
can, the correct way you're supposed to create the layer, and you need to select the layer and you can draw. So whatever you select, and then if you're drawing or writing text, then that it will go to the
Mm-hmm.
particular layer. But no problem. You do everything later. You just select and put into the layer. That is also okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so since we have discussed so many things, I think it's okay for today. Maybe we can continue tomorrow. So what do you think?
Yes, tomorrow we can continue.
Okay, but you try to complete this one. The plan is very important for
Yes.
AutoCAD. Yeah.
Okay, I'll complete this.
Hmm.
If you could send me the recording also for the same.
Ah, okay, no issue.
Okay.
Okay then.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.